Oh, how brave you are, drawing cartoons of God. How bold you feel, mocking the creator of the universe with your little sketches. Surely, you think, a few strokes of your pen are enough to capture the one who made galaxies, mountains, and oceans. What genius! What courage! To mock the infinite with ink and paper. You sit there, laughing at your drawings as if they make you powerful. But tell me, do your cartoons stop the wind? Do they hold back the rain? Do they stop a sunrise or silence a thunderstorm? No. And yet, you mock the one who does all these things without breaking a sweat. You say, it's just a joke. But is it really? Or is it a cover for your fear? Maybe mocking God is easier than facing him. Maybe drawing him as a cartoon is your way of shrinking him down to something you can control. Something you can laugh at because the truth is too big, too real, too terrifying. You make God look foolish, but the joke isn't on him. It's on you. Because every time you mock him, you show your smallness. Whenever you laugh at him, you reveal your fear of what you don't understand. It's like a child laughing at the ocean, thinking it's just a puddle. Do you think God is offended by your cartoons? He's not. The one who spoke the universe into existence doesn't lose sleep over your doodles. No, he is grieved not because of what you draw, but because of what you miss. You're so busy mocking him that you miss his mercy, his love, his grace. You mock the very one who gave you the hand you used to draw. So go ahead, keep drawing your cartoons. Keep making your jokes. But remember, the ink will dry, the paper will crumble, and the laughter will fade. And one day, you'll stand face to face with the God you mocked. What will you say then? Will you laugh in his presence? Or will you finally realize how small your mockery was? The choice is yours. Draw if you must, mock if you will. But don't be surprised if, in the end, the real picture isn't a joke, it's the truth.